Hi everyone! Are you one of those who are applying for a job and you are not getting any reply at all? Then this is the video you should watch. I'd like to challenge you on something today. When you look at the job posting, don't go and apply before you know who's the hiring manager, who are the recruiters. You can go and basically stalk them on Google or LinkedIn to find out about hiring managers. You can then send in connections, customize the personal, the email or whatever you're sending it out to them. Let them know that you're thinking of applying, you came across this posting, you'd like to have a quick chat, right? And wait for a day or so just to see if they can get back to you. So if you are sending invitation from LinkedIn, chances are they're gonna go right away to your resume, which is LinkedIn digital resume kind of thing. They can go and see it and they can just reply back, or they can be in touch with you. And if they don't, that's okay, you can still go ahead and apply. What happens is if they've already seen that email from you, then your name sticks out, and after you apply you can just go after a week and say, hey, I've applied it online and I'm looking forward to hear from you, right? There's a certain scripting that you have to go through it. You have to practice and see what works. Now at Teach and Do, we do teach our job seekers on how to write those networking email. We customize it with them, we coach them. If you need any lessons, any classes, you can contact us as well through our Teach and Do pages. Thank you for watching. I wish you good luck. Bye-bye.